Are you looking to start a business or you have a business right now, but you need some working capital? I'm going to show you how you can get $5,000. Yep, $5,000. And I ain't talking about store credit. I'm talking about real capital where you can use anywhere at any time for your products or whatever you need this money for. So with that being said, you already know what time it is. Let's get right into it. What's up, family? I'm back with another one. Hey, if you're new to the channel, welcome to the family. So in today's class, I'm going to show you how to get this $5,000 for your business, right? And if you don't have an LLC, it's okay. If you have a part-time gig going on, if you got a side hustle, if you're making some extra cash on the side, I'm going to show you how to get this $5,000 regardless, right? So go grab a pen, go get some paper, and you know you got to get you something to drink because, woo, class is going to be a good one. Welcome to today's lesson, right? What I'm gonna go over today is, of course, I'm gonna show you how to get this $5,000, right? I'm gonna show you how to get this money. However, there are some terms that I want to talk about first so you can have a better picture and a better clear vision and understanding what I'm talking about when I go over these different terms so you understand what's going on, right? So I'm gonna go over what is a fintech, what is Plaid, how does it work, and I'm gonna go over everything so you can have a clear vision on everything. So let's get right into it. What's up, family? You know I'm gonna show you how to get this $5,000, right? You know I'm gonna show you how to get to this money. So there's a fintech company that's lending to business owners, whether you have a part-time business, whether you have a side hustle going on, you have a part-time business going on, whatever you're doing, a side gig, whatever you're doing to make extra capital, right? There's a fintech company that's gonna give you $5,000 based off of, I'm gonna tell you in a little bit, right? However, let's talk about what is a fintech, right? Fintech stands for financial technology, right? So when you use Apple Pay, Cash App, PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, right? When you check your online statements, also when you transfer money digitally, that's all part of financial technology, a multi-billion-dollar industry, right? So with these fintech companies, right, they are disrupting the old way we do banking, right? When I mean the old way we do banking, you know, when you had to get a debit card, you pay online, or you had a credit card, you pay online, or you pay for things, right? You don't have to do that no more. If you have a phone, right, you can use your phone, bam, pay for it, right? You can use your Apple wallet and pay for things, right? So they're disrupting in that way. They're also disrupting the way we apply for credit, right? So you know the traditional way where you go to the bank and apply for a credit card, you get approved based off of your credit report and your FICO score, right? Nah, you don't need that no more, right? We're not checking credit. Based off of what you got going on in the bank, you can get approved for $5,000, $10,000, based off of what you got going on, based off of that company's criteria, you can get approved for certain things. So this is what fintech, and this is how they're disrupting the industry right now. So you need to jump on the bandwagon with these fintech companies. So the next thing we're going to talk about is Plaid, right? How does this work as well? You got to understand Plaid so you can understand how to get this $5,000, and it all correlates together. So I'm gonna talk about what is Plaid and how it works. What is Plaid and how does it work, right? So in order to get this $5,000, right, this fintech company right here need access to your checking account. So what Plaid does is put both of them together, and based off of their algorithm or whatever, they put both of them together to see if you can get approved for that $5,000 based off what you have going on in your checking account. So think about it like this. You know, back in the day when everybody was digging for gold and they needed a shovel, Plaid is a shovel, right? They give you access to the gold, right? You know, you gotta do the work. However, based off of what you have going on in your checking account, based off of the deposits, everything, they can give you the fintech company, whatever they do, whatever they check for, they can give you access to that $5,000. So that's basically what Plaid is. I hope you understand what I'm saying, but that's just a short version of what Plaid and this company is. So here's what you've been waiting for, how to get this $5,000, where you can get this $5,000, right? So, bam, it's right here. It's right here, Glance Capital, right? Instant, as you can see, instant line of credit for gig workers, right? Apply now for an instant decision for a line of credit exclusively for a contractor, gig, and part-time workers. There is no credit check involved. As you can see, all you need is a US bank account in good standards, right? So how does it work? So we talked about it a little bit, right? So a customer applies for a line of credit, you know, Bank of America and Plaid connects, Glance performs and evaluates application within 30 seconds, whatever the criteria, and you get a line of credit terms offered for your acceptance. Funds are sent to your bank account within 24 hours if you accept. Customer only pays interest or as much as they want per month based off their monthly earnings, right? So I'm gonna go over a little bit more on, supported platforms right here. Lyft, YouTube created, Twitch, Spotify, Uber, Upwork. Like, there's multiple companies, right? They're adding more companies based off of whatever they added more companies, right? And About Us, right? So I want to go about this, right? The funding story, right? So Glance was founded, as you can see right here. I'm gonna try to make it a little bit bigger so you can see. Glance was founded by a group of fintech entrepreneurs who are fed up with the lending experience, right? There's always somebody that's fed up on how they do business. This is where they can, quick money is not quick money, but money is made in the industry when people are fed up with certain things. So they saw a large group of people who were marginalized by banks and their rigid lending criteria. Some had low credit or no credit. Others worked multiple part-time jobs but still could not get a bank loan. So, if you have bad credit or if you had no credit at all, you could barely get a loan. So, like they said, it was fed up. So they created something to where now you can get access to $5,000. Family, class was lit, right? Hey, I just showed you how to get access to this $5,000, right? However, if you have negative items on your credit report and you're trying to fix your credit, rebuild it, get it so you can get a house, a car, personal funding, right? Business funding. I know I showed you multiple ways how you can get lines of credit without doing no credit check. However, sometimes you need your credit to get approved for certain things. So if you're having trouble, you go watch this video right here. I'm breaking down step by step how you can get anything removed from your credit report no matter what. So if you need help, drop them in the comments. I'm responding back to everybody as soon as I can. But I appreciate you watching this video, and I'll see you in the next class.